In this video we're going to look at a skill that we talked about when we were talking about equations, but it also applies to when we're talking about scatter plots and looking for the line of best fit. So let's assume that we have drawn our line and we now have the 2 points from it of 4, 7, and 9, 15. And so we're going to talk about how to create an equation with these 2 points. So we really have 3 steps to this. First, we need to find the slope. And in order to do that, we need to use slope is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. And just a reminder, the sub 2's and the sub 1's are just in reference to which ordered pair they come from. So let's just call this first set r sub 1, so x sub 1, y sub 1. And let's call this second set x sub 2, y sub 2. So we can come and we just plug in those points. We say 15 minus 7 over 9 minus 5. Oops, sorry, 9 minus 4. And 15 minus 7 is 8, and 9 minus 4 is 5. So we know that here is our slope. So that's the first step. Second step, after we have found the slope, is we need to find the y-intercept. And really, the easiest way is to use our slope-intercept form of y equals mx plus b. And we can plug in our slope. We can plug in one of our 2 points that were given, and then just solve for b. So let's just pick 4, 7. So our y is 7. Our slope is 8/5, and our x is 4. We'll just put it as 4 over 1 plus b. 8/5 times 4 over 1 is 32/5 equals 7. 32/5, well, we can put that into a mixed number, would be 6 2/5 plus b. You could turn it into a decimal, but I like using fractions better. They actually are a little bit easier to work with. So we can subtract then, we're just solving for b, subtracting 6 2/5 from both sides. And so then when we take 7 and we subtract 2/5, 7 is almost like 6 5/5 minus 6 2/5. And so really all we're left with is 3/5. So that is our y-intercept. So now we take this part, the y-intercept, we take our slope, and we put those two together. We come back to our y equals mx plus b. And we're just going to plug in our m and our b for this equation. And we're going to keep the y and the x because those are our general y and general x. And so we're getting the general form of this equation, plus 3/5. And so we can then use this equation to make predictions either within the data or outside of the data that we have, and go from there. So I guess the third would be to plug into y equals mx plus b. So hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead and like it. If you have any questions, you can post those and I can answer them for you. And take a look at some of the other videos that I have available. And thank you for watching.